Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your phone supports eSIM and that it's unlocked. That saves a lot of headaches later. Next, pick a Japan plan focused on data, validity days, and price. Decide if you need tethering. Once you buy, you'll receive a QR or activation code by email. Make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi, then save that email and any SIM profiles on your device. These steps prime you for a smooth install and avoid activation errors once in Japan. Now install the eSIM profile. Go to Settings, eSIM/Add Cellular Plan, then scan the QR or paste the activation code. This writes the profile to your phone. Once installed, label the line for Japan, set it as your data line if you intend to use it for internet, and enable data roaming so networks connect. If the provider lists an APN, enter it manually. Otherwise, the phone usually configures automatically. These precise steps ensure your data and calls route correctly while you travel. Finish by testing. Restart your phone, confirm signal bars, and do a quick speed or web load to verify connectivity. If voice or SMS are missing, switch which line is primary for calls or enable Wi-Fi calling. That often fixes routing. If you see no service, try manual network selection or reapply the QR/activation code and make sure airplane mode was toggled off. If problems persist, contact the eSIM provider with your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.